Hey guys, financial tempests are horrible. I get it. Your bills are piling up, your income's not where you want it, and you feel like you're stuck in a cycle you don't know how to break. But what if you could change that today? See, back in September 2024, I was exactly where you were. I was stressed and overwhelmed by financial pressure. I was working hard, but it was never enough. I was watching my goals slip further and further away as the financial pressure builds, and the uncertainty that was just overwhelming. And then I came across this passive daily pay blueprint that showed me how I could earn a six-figure income in 6 months. You could earn $300 a day, which translates to $109,000 a year, just by following a blueprint, a proven blueprint that is step-by-step with instructions, following a 2-hour workday, leveraging automations and the online world, which means it's passively generating your income. You don't need to be actively involved in business. Imagine what that would do for you, being able to pay off your debts, secure your future, more freedom, less stress. If you want to know more about this passive daily pay blueprint and I'm following, then please put yes into the comments below. I'd love to share it with you.